Yesterday, actor and the father of Karisma and Kareena Kapoor, Ranbir Kapoor, is reported to be on oxygen support after he was shifted to the ICU at the Kokilaben Ambani Hospital in Mumbai. He had tested positive for COVID 19 recently. Now, Ranbir Kapoor did test positive, but he had no breathing issues so far, and therefore he did not need an ICU. In fact, until yesterday, he was speaking to the media, but now he has been shifted to the ICU to get more coronavirus related tests done. Ranbir Kapoor had assured that the Kokilaben hospital staff was taking very good care of him. He said, "The hospital is taking very good care of me and I thank Tina Ambani. Everything is under control. They are going all out for me. The doctors are round the clock all the time." Yes, this is what he had said yesterday and also informed that he tested positive despite getting both the doses of the COVID 19 vaccine. Yes, same like me. Ranbir Kapoor said he doesn't have any clue how he got COVID, but he said that I am surprised. Let me also tell you that my entire staff of 5 members has also tested positive and I've got them hospitalized with me in the Kokilaben Ambani Hospital in Mumbai. Ranbir Kapoor added that his wife Babita and their daughters Karisma and Kareena Kapoor have all tested negative for the disease. In a statement, Dr. Santosh Shetty of Kokilaben Ambani Hospital had told the Press Trust of India yesterday that there was no cause for concern for Ranbir Kapoor. He was admitted to the hospital last night for COVID 19 treatment, this is what he said, and he remains stable. There is nothing to worry. But now he has been shifted to the ICU as per the latest reports that are coming in, and the doctors are doing all that they can to give him emergency care. Meanwhile, on Twitter, netizens have already started criticizing the Kapoor family and also how he got the best care within seconds at one of the most expensive hospitals in Mumbai after the news came out. Ranbir Kapoor recently lost his brothers Rishi and Rajiv Kapoor. While Rishi Kapoor died last year after a 2-year long battle with cancer, Rajiv Kapoor died earlier this year of a cardiac arrest. Also, let me tell you, renowned TV journalist Rohit Sardana has succumbed to the deadly COVID 19 infection today. Zee News editor in chief Sudhir Chaudhary informed everyone about his untimely demise through a tweet. Now, even while he was suffering from coronavirus, Rohit Sardana sought help for patients on Twitter a day before he died. In his last tweet, Rohit had asked his over 4 million followers on Twitter to help find remdesivir injections for a COVID 19 patient. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has also expressed grief at Rohit's untimely demise. In a tweet, he wrote, "Pain to learn about Sri Rohit Sardana ji's untimely demise. In him, the nation has lost a brave journalist who always stood up for unbiased and fair reporting. May God give his family the strength to bear this tragic loss. My deepest condolences to his family and followers." 41-year-old Rohit had long been associated with Zee Media. He used to host the popular show Tal Thoke, a debate program that discusses contemporary issues in India on Zee News. Sardana left Zee News to join Aaj Tak in 2017, and since then he was hosting the debate show called Dangal. Please leave your thoughts and prayers in the comment section below. We can connect on Instagram. I'm available there as Reviewron. Subscribe here if you find my videos worth it, but even if you don't, thank you so much for watching this one, and please take care of yourself and everyone around you. Jai Hind.